Paul here in the Friendly Reviewer. On this channel we do a ton of tech reviews, so make sure to subscribe so you can watch more videos just like this one. You may be wondering, Paul, what's up with your horrible audio quality right now? Half of it's my voice, so that helps a little bit. The other half we're going to fix with something that someone sent me, so let's check it out. This is the Amazon Alexa Echo Dot, which has amazing capabilities for its price, but the sound quality is what you're hearing right now. Enter the Bongo. Much better. The Bongo is a smart speaker for the Echo Dot and has much more. You can find the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. It provides 360 degrees of sound that is both higher quality and capable of being much louder than the small Echo Dot speaker. As far as quality, it's not quite up there with the Bose Wave Radio, but it's much better than the Echo Dot for sure, and a different price range than the Bose Wave Radio. It also has a 2,500 milliamp hour power bank, which can be used to power the Echo Dot, and another 2,500 milliamp hour power bank to charge your USB devices for a total of 5,000 milliamp hours, making it portable for up to 6 hours between charges. This is great if you need to carry it around the house with you or even outside. Installing the second generation Echo Dot is very easy. Simply twist the top and pull up on it after it's free. Place the Echo Dot in the top, plug in the audio cable and the power cable, slide the tap back on by aligning the turquoise stickers, and twist. Now you're ready to go. The unit is 7 3/4 inches tall with a 5-inch diameter. On the front is a power button, which is not lit when it's off, red when it's off and charging, pink when it's on and charging, and white when it's on and not charging. On the back, you'll find the same Echo Dot power port, and you can use the standard Echo Dot power cable to both power and charge your Bongo. There's a USB port to charge your other devices, and last, there's an aux audio input port where you can use the included audio cable to play music through the speakers using other devices. You may be wondering why the speaker doesn't have Bluetooth so that you can play music through it wirelessly with devices such as your phone. Well, as soon as you have the Echo Dot installed, you can connect to the Echo Dot via Bluetooth and you're all set up. This even works when you don't have Wi-Fi, so it can be used in the park, the beach, or wherever you go. If you're using the phone to provide music, you can also keep it charged by plugging it into the USB port on the Bongo, so you really have everything covered. I was very impressed by the aesthetics. The speaker cloth looks very nice. The look and feel of the handle is spot on. On the bottom, there's a little cushion ring, and the Echo fits perfectly and securely in the top portion. Both the white and black Echo Dot look great in it. Overall, I'm pleased after testing the unit. It improves the sound quality, it's louder, and it also has tons of other features packed in it. We'll be using this around our house as well as in the backyard. Now, as far as my voice is concerned, it's not quite there yet. Sorry about that. This has been Paul with the Bongo for the second generation Echo Dot. Thank you for watching.